Thought I'd take a minute and throw this quick one up here to show you. We'll call this Friday Finds Part 2. I actually made arrangements the other night to get this. Little mini bike, purple. Needs an engine. I'll buy one of them Harbor Freight Predator motors and put on it. And we'll have to come up with a throttle cable and stuff. Little things. The biggest thing is get an engine. So this would be a nice little project. Maybe do a little series of videos on this. We'll get her cleaned up and straightened up. Put a motor on it and get the little nickel and dime items and put this thing back into condition.